morning, engineering buddies. Here we go again with another set of engineering tutorials. So let's continue na lang to solve Venn diagrams, no? So, next problem tayo. Lumabas daw to ng ECE boards November 1992. The probability for the ECE board examinees from a certain school to pass the mathematics subject is 3/7, and that for the communication subject is 5/7. If none of the examinees failed in both subjects and there are 4 examinees who passed both subjects, how many examinees from the school took the examination? Sige. So, ulitin natin. Pinakauna yung gagawin sa Venn diagram is to create Venn diagram, no? Sige. Okay. Circle. Ano yung circle? Ito. Nice. Baby pa yung circle natin, guys. Okay. So, sabihin na natin dito, try nga natin blue pansulat. Let X be the number of graduates who took the exam. Okay, so yung X daw yung mga kumuha ng exam, no? Okay. Sabi natin, unahin natin yung gitna. So, if none of the exam failed both subjects and there are 4 exam who pass both subjects, automatic dito mo nalagay yung 4. Ayan. Guys, may nakalimutan pala ako. Kapag may given na ganyan, kunwari, ang given dito may math at communication subjects, may na bagit pa sa problem na science subject, pero hindi na siya related doon sa ano, may bago lang na ano, lagi kayong may gagawa ng rectangle. Na nabanggit ko kanina nung sa una. Ang tawag dito na sample space. Okay? Tapos dito mo lang ilalagay sa gitna. Kunwari, may nag-take pa ng science subject, pero hindi naman siya yung kasama doon sa tanong. Kunwari, may 8/7 pa. 8, kunwari, hindi. 4/7. Yan. Lagay mo dyan sa gitna. Pero kung wala naman, hindi na kayo mag-sample space. Sample space ang tawag doon. Sige. Ngayon, may math dito. And then may comms. Ang sabi kasi, probability for the ECE board examination from the certain school to pass the mathematical subject is 3/7. So, 3/7 nung kabuuan, yung sa math, then sa communication subjects naman, is 5/7 ng kabuuan, which is the X. Okay? Alam natin ito yung circle ng math. Ito naman sa communications. So, anong value nito? Di ba may 4 ka na to? Kung 4 yan, dapat ang kabuuan niya is 3/7x. So, ang ano nito is 3/7 x minus 4. Okay? Gets ba, guys? Kasi may 4 ka na dito. So, yung green part na to na natitira is 3/7 minus x. Dito naman, ito naman is 5/7x minus 4. Okay? So, from the Venn diagram shown, i-plus lang natin ulit yung mga nasa gitna. Ayan, plus 4. Paghiwa-hiwalay natin para alam natin yung ano, plus 5/7x x minus 4. Ang sabi pa, Ayan, ang total natin kasi is x, no? Kasi sila yung mga nag-take. Di maglagay na is equal to x. So, masasolve natin yung x dyan. Excuse me, guys. Gamitin lang ulit natin tong calculator natin. Sige. Yan. Pwede kayo ano yan guys ha, pwede kayo mag any method dyan, pwede kayo mag manual method, substitution or what. Pero syempre ko sa board exam, wait, paano ba to? $28. Okay, so 28 daw. So 28 students or graduates yung nag-take nung exam. So dito sa letter A. Okay. So ganyan lang siya i-solve guys ha. Meron pa tayong last problem, mahaba-haba kasi yun. So hiwalay ko na siya ng video, no? So yan, don't miss it. So please like and subscribe for more engineering tutorials, and don't forget to hit the bell button for the upcoming and for the future engineering tutorials, no? So let's see you on the next video.